With Thanksgiving getting close, you can always use another appetizer, especially one that involves stuffing in a secret way. I love wings. In fact, we all love wings. Crispy on the outside, tender, juicy on the inside. What could be better? And it occurred to me, in a dream perhaps, why can't we take stuffing and apply that technology to wings? And when I say stuffing, I don't mean like make the stuffing and stuff them into the little wings, because you could, but yes, you've already got it in the turkey, and that would potentially be a huge pain in the ass. What if we took the stuffing crumb stuff, the stuffing mix, and used that to coat the outside of the wings? Now, that's an idea I can get behind, and so that's what we're doing. This is very simple. Oh, and we're gonna serve this with a cranberry barbecue sauce for dipping. Why am I talking so loud?
Because you're excited.
I'm excited, let's go. That's some wings. Wait, that's some wings. In paper towel, because you want them dry.
Those are some wings? That's some wings.
These are some wings that you want. I mix up my, listen, I up my tenses. I didn't go to college. I went to 2 years of,
You could talk to me right here.
oh, sorry. I didn't really go to college. I went to 2 years of community college. And as I've said before, I didn't technically graduate because I'm short some accounting credits from Mr. Clough.
And we all know that we learned the difference between that and those in college.
Yes, I was sick that day. In fact, Mr. Clough's accounting class taught the difference between that and those and them and these. In any case, these are some wings.
Get back to that wings.
And we want that wings dry. So front and back, right? And when they are, get rid of the paper towels, we move on. We're gonna season them up first. And that will include some salt and pepper and some sage. Ah, how great. Just lean into the whole Thanksgiving business. And don't skip this step, because if you don't season your wings, what's gonna happen? They're not gonna be nearly as flavorful. They definitely need the salt, and they need this. What is this? The sage. They don't have to have the sage, but the sage is gonna really do a good thing here. Okay?
Not Thanksgiving in the spice.
Listen, leave me, it is Thanksgiving in spice. Quit making fun of my tense problems. We flip them over, and you can see what I'm dealing with. I've got the drummies and the flats. Whatever, if you don't like one, just buy the other.
That a flat, that a drum.
Stop it. I don't think people like it when you make fun of me. They love it when you make fun of me. Here we go, a little bit more of this. Okay, you can guess what's next. A traditional little 3-part breading station. And here's what we've got. We always start with flour. Wings go in the flour. Flour helps the egg stick, and the egg helps the crispy outside coating. And in this case, this was a box of stovetop stuffing mix. Now here's the thing, even though you might not use all of this, if you don't crush up the entire box, you just pour off some from the top, you're gonna miss some of the seasoning that's probably settled at the bottom. So just do the whole thing. And then we come along with our wings, and we take a wing, and we go first into the flour, shake off excess, then into the egg, or in French, the oeuf. That was Mrs. Arthur's French class. And then into the stuffing. And this was turkey flavor. You could use cornbread flavor or whatever. I don't care what you use, just use one. Now a flat. You get the idea. I don't have to talk the entire time. Right, last 2 kids right here. Very nice. Yeah, 1 pack will do about 2 pounds of wings. And this was 4 wings short of 2 pounds because I practiced. Let me clean my hands, move these around. We'll get to air frying. Here's our plan. Let's give these guys a top spray. Easier there than in the thing. Open the, damn it. These guys now each get a spray. Let me load some up. You want to just give them a little room in between. I mean, I could have put a few more on, but I'll have 2 racks of 6 and that will be fine. Then in we go. They go in at 375 for about 7-ish, 8 minutes. Everybody on. Back we go. 7 minutes. Let's make a little cranberry barbecue sauce. So this is an experiment because I've never made it. I just had this as a last minute idea. This is that cranberry jelly stuff from a can that I think will work best in this because look, you can mash it up. I really don't know how much to use. Let's try equal parts barbecue sauce and cranberry, shall we? So this looks to me equal. Let's see if this is good. Stand by. Boys, I think it's great. I love the tang. I love the sweetness.
Oh yeah.
It's really good, right? You definitely get both. All right, well, we're set. Just waiting for these guys to finish. It's gonna be like a 18-second video. But you know what? We're not doing those VOs anymore. That's a voiceover. Look, we had a little experiment. We tried to do this thing where as I was making the recipe, I would do the voiceover after the fact, and you guys voiced your opinion. We read the comments, and you effing hate it. You were very vocal, and you were very strong, and I'm here to say we listen, and we don't do that anymore. And it was all Max's idea. It was not mine. I didn't want to do it, but I went along with it because he's younger and went to college. You know what that shows you? College doesn't mean everything. That's what that means. Right, Chance?
Right?
Chance went to college.
It's you know
But-
you know what those show you.
What did you say? Would you say, Chancey?
Oh, well, I went but didn't finish.
Oh, you didn't finish either?
Did not finish.
Mr. Clough's accounting credits?
I am missing a couple accounting credits.
It's that effing accounting that does it every time.
Yeah, a little more than that for me, but
And why do we really need? Here's what I know about accounting. First in, first out, or last in, last out, or last in, first out, FIFO, LIFO, one of those things. Do you think that helps me in my life? No. Oh, this is ready. Okay, here we go. Look how pretty those are. Look how pretty those are. Flip them over, using my hand because I'm an animal. Well, they're not that hot, really. They get a quick spray. Nope, I'm not that much of an animal. Those are hot. Same on the bottom. Back in for another 7 or 8. Okay, so here's the goal. The goal is, hey, now that they look pretty like that, but also that they temp to at least about 180. Then you're fine. You know, little wings like this. Dark meat, higher temp. All right, let's take them and put them in a bowl. And we'll just ouch our way through this. Ouch, ouch. Some big guys in here. And big old wings. Ow, dang. Beautiful. And sauce. Boom. Happy Thanksgiving wings, everybody.
Oh my god, they smell like stuffing.
I know we were saying that.
It'll be hot AF. As they've been cooking, the boys are remarking, well, it smells like Thanksgiving around here. Fuck, they're hot. Stuffing wings. Oh my god. Tender, juicy, you guys are gonna just die. You guys are gonna shit yourselves. You're gonna puke all over the place. Holy God, are these good. Mother of pearl.
Warning.
Warning. Let me get a side I haven't eaten. Now, wait. Even better. Oh, they're fantastic. I'm going to start coating everything with this stuff. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. Love them. Love them. We wondered if you were knitting him a sweater.